Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Taurus, we are picking these cards, guys. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Taurus, if you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, or if you want some answers for some questions you may have, you can watch the Pick a Card Love reading that will follow this general guidance. And if you like this reading and if it resonates, Taurus, you can comment, guys, like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys, Taurus. So let's start with these cards. We have Transformation, Nine of Earth, King of Fire. So, with these cards in your circumstances today, Taurus, you are moving towards some changes in your life today, guys, and you are someone who is really skilled, talented, you're confident about your abilities, and you have a vision, dream for yourself, goals for yourself. And maybe you need to be aware of your skills, be aware of your circumstances today, and maybe if you work in a collaborative manner with the people around you, you are going to shape your success, guys. Maybe if you are rigid and closed off, if you just think that you are the one who knows everything and who will make the right choices, you are going to land yourself in difficulties, guys. You are simply limiting the picture. So you need to see what other people are thinking, and maybe with your colleagues or people who work with you, your employees or mentor, whatever their vision is or suggestions are, you need to listen to it and take that also into account and make a proper decision, guys. So that way you will be moving towards a reliable future. You are building a strong foundation, and maybe in your relationship also, guys, that may be the reason you are seeing some misunderstandings with this person you love. Maybe you do not listen to them. You feel that you are doing the right thing each and every time. So you never listen to what this person is thinking or feeling. So this may be your energy towards this relationship or their energy towards you, guys. So sometimes you need to listen to what this person is trying to tell you, because they may have something to tell you, and it may be something important, and it may be something making a great change today. So there are a lot of changes happening in this relationship. This person is not what they are, maybe, guys. Just when you met them, you both grow together and everything changes. So with that experience and with that day-to-day living, we change, we evolve so much, and that may be the reason even your relationship is evolving. So you need to understand that, and you need to understand that nothing remains the same, everything is changing, and you should be ready to accept everything that is changing in your relationship, guys. So changes are a part of life, and if you have that broad vision, you will see clarity in your relationship, guys. So whatever needs to be done, maybe changes on your part or changes from that person, you must accept it perfectly if you want harmony and peace. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's Hierophant. So maybe if you are seeing some difficulties to adjust to these changes happening, guys, you can take up some spiritual practice and it will do you great good. Maybe if you are interested in meditation or some kind of chants, you can go for that, guys, Taurus. That is going to give you a clear head and make you more harmonious and balanced, less emotional, maybe, guys, Taurus. So for your career situation, guys, it's Messenger of Fire. So with this card, it just means that you are confident about your circumstances, determined and strong willed. You have that grit and perseverance, and that may be the reason, though you are finding yourself in some difficult situation in your career, you are working hard, being really responsible, and you will see success very soon, guys, Taurus. So that is the reading for you all, guys, Taurus. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first, guys. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. So for those who chose this card, this is your first card, guys, and it is I surge on the uprising wave of love. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in your circumstances today, you are trying to change certain things or you are wishing for things to be different today. But whatever you do, whatever you are doing, maybe the efforts, whatever it is, guys, your personal will and efforts are not going to make any changes today because you are in a karmic cycle. So whatever is destined to happen in your life is what is unfolding today. So you are trying to limit your experiences or your circumstances through your range of vision. But what is happening is something beyond our control and beyond our comprehension. So destiny is unfolding in your life and you need to understand that, guys. And maybe you are moving towards a life change, an accelerated life change. You will be caught up in a wave and you will be taken much farther and faster than expected. And you will feel pushed towards some changes that are unfolding on its own without you liking or disliking those changes. but you need to understand that it is for your best, and it is your divine destiny that is unfolding, and it is going to create a very great change in your life, something unexpected. So destiny is working in your life today, guys. You need to understand, and this destiny has been waiting for you. This divine destiny has been uh, waiting to unfold in your life, guys, and it is something good, something positive. So that is what I see with this card, guys. So your circumstances may seem out of control, and that may be your destiny today, guys. And it is pushing you towards something, and you need to understand that, and you need to embrace that change, whatever is coming in your life, guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So for those who chose this second card, we have mending. So with this card, it just means that you are moving towards a healing energy in this relationship, in your life. Forgiveness, healing from arguments or some misunderstandings, whatever it is. So forgiveness is necessary if we want to move forward in our life, guys. Separate or together, you both are experiencing feelings of hurt. The effects of hurt are impacting your life. You are hurt, and maybe this person is also hurt. So this energy needs to be cleared if you want to bridge that gap, to find that harmony in your relationship. So closing your heart is not the answer, guys. You have the power to heal this wound. So whatever needs to be done, you should do it. So ask yourself, you need to ask yourself, what will love do to you and to that other person? And if you forgive, only goodness will come out of it, because we forgive the other person only when you have that love, and we want to change, and that is a honest thing to do. If you truly love this person, you need to make amends, guys. Maybe say sorry to them if you have wronged them, or if they have wronged you, they need to tell you sorry and make amends. Work towards that harmonious, balanced relationship, and this is the right time for that, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.